This one we can just go straight to the bridge, and it should work. All right, and we're gonna reopen the HMI program again, and then we want to go and establish Ethernet. So you go to Ethernet, and then you gotta click on that, select X panel, right? So you're not gonna see it here, so should be able to see it. Nah. So we're gonna insert it. That's the IP address. You just gotta add right here.
No, 01 because it's
yeah, 01. Right. So see, it's reading it.
Yep.
You gotta click on it and then hit OK.
What was the first step to getting to that? I didn't catch the very first. Online. Okay.
Online setup link.
Okay, online setup link.
But it looks like it's still not picking it up.